In this video, we will look at how to use adverbs to talk about when, where, and how often things happen. The adverbs later, immediately, at once, suddenly, and afterwards give more information about when something happens. We use them like this. Later. She's not here, but I think she will be here later. Immediately. If we don't leave immediately, we will be late. At once. I knew at once that it was going to be a special day. Suddenly, I heard a tap at the window. Afterwards. I went swimming and then afterwards to the shops. The adverbs there, around, and upstairs give more information about where something happens. There. I'm going to the gym. I'll see you there. Around. I walked around the town looking for a supermarket. Upstairs. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs. The adverbs occasionally, normally, every day give more information about how often something happens. Occasionally. We occasionally have burgers for lunch. Normally. I normally get home from school at 5. Every day. I go to work every day except on Sunday. Feel free to visit our website for lots of resources to help you do well using English for study, work, or travel.